All right, good morning, everybody. Back for another week of trading here on the channel, and I'm going to start doing something new going forward in the videos where if I only get one or two or maybe three trades on the day, I'm then going to do a breakdown and kind of look at what happened with the trade after we play the live feed of what actually happened. So I'm going to do that for the first time in today's video. Feel free to let me know what you think of it down in the comments below.
BP issue. PLC. PLC. PLC.
Watching PLCE. See if we can go a bit further here. Get up through the highs it made a minute ago. I have 1320 on that candle. See if we can break up through there.
PLC. PLC.
Whoa. Here it goes. Wasn't expecting that move. Didn't have an order ready for
PLC.
that.
PLCE moving.
Gonna go a little bit further here now. Up towards 14.
PLC.
Alright, gonna break through the highs here. Alright, I'm gonna jump in. I'm in at 1404
PLC.
here on PLCE. 300 shares. Might get into a little bit of a halt situation, but we'll see. Put 100 out down here at 1368.
PLC. PLC.
Alright, I'm gonna try and add in up here. See if I can get a fill.
Order filled.
All right, got that. Now I'm at 600
Order
at
canceled.
1433.
PLC.
Oh, all right,
Order
got down
filled.
under. Okay, got that. See if we can get down under 14 here now. Looking for a move back down under 14 PLCE.
Order filled.
Okay, gonna take that down to 200 shares. See if it can keep coming a bit more. All right, looking to possibly get restarted here in PLCE. See if you can get up through the highs. All right, PLCE coming back down here. May just take it off now because of that move back up to the highs. Wasn't exactly what I wanted to see there. If it gets back down under 1430. All right, see if I can get this off here.
Order cancelled.
All right, I'm going to take it off right
Order
there
partially
on that
filled.
move back down. Didn't get a
Order
chance
filled.
to get the shares back in there. And because of that, I don't want to wait through a pullback up through the highs now. So I'm just going to take that off there and take the win here in PLCE. All right, guys. So if you didn't see in the intro, I am going to start trying to do breakdowns of the trades after we play the lives. Maybe not every day, but definitely on days where I don't have as many trades. Maybe I have a day that has 4 or 5 trades or so. Won't do it. But on these days that I only have 1 or 2 trades, going to try and do a breakdown of what I was thinking during it. So if we look at the chart here, really nice extension. As you saw, it was hitting on the scanner alert there. Really big move on the scanner alert. So I was pretty happy with the entry really when I was first looking at this chart. But the reason that I have the daily chart down here is because this is something that I look at. So as you can see here, 14 was kind of a breakout of a recent resistance there. So, you know, I could have probably waited a little bit for that first entry there. Maybe get the first entry up towards where I got my original second entry and then try and do my normal play from there. But I, for some reason, wasn't really looking that strongly at the daily chart, which normally I do. But in this case, I didn't. So, and then a couple of other things with this was, you know, chart-wise, this is, you know, pretty decent look here. The first entry into a big extension way off the VWAP with volume, with the fast, intense move. The only thing that was a little bit sketchy about this one was that it was kind of flirting with the halts a bit. So I don't generally like flirting with halts because I'm more of an impatient person. So, you know, if I get into a halt, technically the trade is still the same, but you get in your head a lot when you're in a halt. So it was a little sketchy on that aspect, but got a pretty good dump off here. I was looking to add in more had it continued because I took off 2/3 of my position on this move. I was gonna kind of restart it if it was able to break up through the highs on this move. Wasn't able to do it, came back down, and once it made that big candle and I just pressed the highs, I decided it was probably safer just to go ahead and get out the whole thing. So wasn't a super clean trade, but was still able to make $134 on it, and that's the trade breakdown and what I was thinking. Okay, so there you have it, everybody. Nothing crazy today, but making $135 or so. Still got that AMC call on, but didn't pop Friday, didn't pop today, so I'm not overly optimistic. It's probably just going to expire worthless at the end of this week. It is the Friday of this week, the expiration date on that. So you never know. Maybe we'll get one huge run out of it, but even Roaring Kitties, it looks like he gave up.